May peace and love always triumph.
Please ring the bell.
FOWPAL and 14 other organizations hosted the 2023 World Leaders Summit of Love and Peace and bell-ringing ceremonies to celebrate the 4th International Day of Conscience and pray for the world. The event kicked off with a press conference, which began with an ancient solemn ceremony of prayer. The performers prayed with reverence for the blessings of heaven to rejuvenate the earth. All participants meditated for 60 seconds and prayed with heart of repentance and atonement, hoping that disasters would end soon and that all living things would be safe. During a major ceremony, Dr. Hong, delegates from various embassies, and NGO leaders shared their hopes for the world.
My wish comes from my dearest,
and these things will continue.
They signed their names on a tree of life to promote global security and sustainability.
Power of hope! Go, go, go!
Dr. Hong delivered welcome remarks.
The most difficult times are also the times full of good opportunities. Where there is the will, there is always a way forward. More conscience awakening and actions are needed to inspire more leaders and people to protect the earth with positive power, to create a culture of peace with love and conscience, and to build a sustainable world.
A total of 11 influential leaders rang the bell of world peace and love and made wishes for peace, praying for the world.
Please ring the bell. Congratulations.
3 leaders were presented with mini golden bells of world peace and love.
One more ring.
They had
of the
previously
mini
rung the
bell.
bell and have worked closely with FOWPAL to promote love and peace.
Your mini bell of world peace and love.
Dr. Hong presented certificates of honor for cultural exchange to several leaders. To encourage people to act with conscience at all times, Dr. Hong presented the compass clock of conscience, made by FOWPAL, to honored guests. The participants were invited to endorse the Declaration of World Prayer Day and the Declaration of World Day of the Power of Hope. With conscience and the power of hope, global citizens will continue to work together for a better world.